We'll guide you through how to download and install Fabric mods in Minecraft 1.21.8. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've gone and seen one you want, so let's go and get it. Alternatively, you can browse through them as well. But the first thing we need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. We're going to go and find a Fabric mod we want. So you can go and type in for CurseForge like so and come to curseforge.com. This is a site where you can get loads of different mods from. Select Minecraft and you can press browse all at the top. Scroll down and we can go and filter for Fabric, and then for the game version 1.21.8. You already may have a mod in mind which you can go and search for. Now what we can do is go and scroll through here and find one you want. I'll go and get Zero's minimap for example. You can scroll down and read about it, but to go and download it, press files at the top, and then you want to go and find it for Fabric, and we can see it for 1.21.8. Press the three dots to the right and we can press download file. Now go and wait. It was blocked, but if I go and click on it, we can go and press download unverified file as it'll be fine. I've had it before. Now what we need to do is we can go and get more. Just make sure they're for 1.21.8 and for CurseForge. Feel free to get more mods. Just make sure they're for 1.21.8 and for Fabric. But when you're ready, we can go and get Fabric. What you want to do is just go and search for Fabric Minecraft and come to fabricmc.net. At the top, you can press download and then press download for Windows. If you don't use Windows, you can always go and get the jar version. Now what we need to do is go and get the Fabric API. Go and click on it. So we need to put this in the mods folder. I'll guide you through that. Press files and make sure you get it for 1.21.8, and we can press the three dots to the right and press download file. Go and wait. Before we start the install process, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, then come and check them out. They'll be linked down below in the pinned comment and the description. At the moment, you can get 25% off the first invoice, so it's definitely worth checking out. You can see some of their great features here and even more when we go and scroll down. One of my favorites being the 24/7 servers and support. You can go and get the help anytime you need it with your server, amongst many other great things as well, like instant setup, ultra latency, and so much more. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. So what we need to do is we need to come out of our web browser and you need to go and open up your downloads. We can just go and right click and press downloads, or open up File Explorer, go to the left and you can go and press downloads. Find the Fabric installer and double click on it. It should go and run, and you want to make sure you select 1.21.8 and press install. Go and press OK, and you can then go and close it. We've got it. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and open the launcher. At the top, go and press installations. Now what we need to do is go and scroll down and go and find it for 1.21.8 and press the folder icon to the right. Go and scroll down and you need to go and find the mods folder. Now if you can't find it or you don't have it, then we can go and create one, right click on some blank space. But in this case, I've got one, so we can go into it. I've got some other stuff here which I'm going to go and remove, especially if it's for different versions, it can go and cause conflicts. Now, what we need to do is come to our downloads like so, and you want to go and add in the minimap mod or whatever mod you've got. I got that, and then the API. Then we can go and close out of here, and you want to go and hover over it and press play to the right. Now it's going to go and run. You go and see Fabric in the bottom left, and go and see the mod in the top right. Of course, you may have got a different one, but that's it.